What's Trav here from Trav30387. So today we're going to be installing some Bendix brake pads on a kzn165 Hilux. So this is a 2000 model SR5. Now this should cover most different variants of Toyota Hilux brake pad installation. Just going to be going with the Bendix brake pad, as you can see. So tools required, a pair of point nose pliers, some screwdrivers, axle stands and a jack. Axle stands are a must, because you don't want the vehicle to fall down, the jack to fail. So this is if you don't have a belly lift or two post hoist. So yeah, it's going to be pretty basic, guys. Hope this helps you, in builds and whatever you're doing to install your brake pads. So something pretty basic, anyone can do it. Just watch this video and I'll do the best I can to help you out. Cheers. Keep watching. Up here. So just lift your bottle up, check your fluid level on your master cylinder. So pretty much if it's high, you're probably going to want to get a syringe to suck some of the fluid out, because when you push your pistons back inside to put the new pads in, the brake fluid level will rise. So if it's high here, like at your max line, it will leak out, so it will blow out and yeah, make a friggin' mess. So just get your little old syringe here and just suck some out, easy as. And just put it in a bottle just so you can dispose of it. So you're going to need some brake fluid as well. Easy as, guys, easy as. Keep in mind, brake fluid will eat your paint too, so if you spill it, make sure you clean it, because it is shit. It will mess your paint work up real good. I'm just going to take about, I don't know, probably 60 mil out, bring it down to about halfway. That should be enough, hopefully. If not, we'll just move some more out. Right. You don't want to let it go down too far, because you will have to re-bleed your brakes if you get air in the system. Alright, so that should be good. Right, now we'll get into putting the brake pads in. Right guys, as before, as I said, the jack point with the axle stands. So you just jack off the cross member here, and just put your axle stands under. Just let your jack down till the vehicle takes its weight on the axle stands. Just keep things nice and safe, guys. Remember, these things can kill you if you're not careful. So this is where the fun begins. So we're going to be using the Bendix pads, as I said. So first things first, you've got retainer springs. So retainer spring here, retainer spring here. And you've got the retainer pins. So first off, you pop this one out here. Easy as, pop him out. Make sure you keep note of the way they go in, because they only go in one way. Same thing here with this one. Pop him out. Like that. Now pull the retainer pin out. Okay, one retainer pin, another retainer pin, retainer pins. Retainer spring. Alright, now with the pads, you work one side back, put your new pad in, work the other side back, put the pad in. So there most likely will be a tool for this, but this is just for your average Joe. So you can do this at home with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. It's not going to hurt your rotor pushing on it like this. Just don't obviously wrench on it, because it's probably not going to be good for it. So push it back like so. Now there is a left and a right pad, so keep that in note. Okay. So there's the pad, one pad out. Alright, so this is a telltale. So when this here wears down and hits the rotor, you'll get a squeal. So it'll get like a noise, so that's your telltale. Put your backing pad back on your pad. Okay, put your pad in the right way around. Whoop. This way. Like so. Now we shall work the next pad. As you can see, it's moving this piston on the other side. Okay, this one out as well, another set of telltales. My pads aren't completely worn out yet, but I'm getting in there before they do. chatter pad again on the back. Okay, so put this retainer in first, retainer spring in first. Put your retainer pin in. Things might get a little bit fiddly here. Just line them up for your pins to go through. Okay, one pin's through, same thing again. Just work it till you get your pin through, pins through. Right, easy done. Next pin, top pin. Okay, like so. Now, these pins, retainer spring, clip it back in to where it was before. Like so. Same thing in like so. Easy done. Now your main retainer spring. So I just got to move the pinhole around. One like that and like this. Could be a little bit finicky too sometimes. Okay, so that there is how you install brake pads on a Toyota Hilux, which is basic as, there's nothing really to it. Like, anyone can do it, and this video will help you do it. So pretty much I'll just go up top and I'll show you the master cylinder as I pump the brakes, and you'll see the fluid level drop back down, which is up high now. Alright guys. So just take note of the brake fluid dropping as it's filling up the pistons again in the car. Righto guys, so there you have it. That's the video on how to install brake pads on a kzn165, and most Hilux variants are very similar. Also too, when you finish up, just check your fluid level. Add some, you're probably going to need to use some. So just make sure your levels are topped up. And also pump your brakes before you drive your vehicle, because your pedal's going to move down heaps, get your pressures up. But yeah, I really hope this video has helped someone out, or helped whoever out. That's the whole aim of these videos. So, alright guys, like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Cheers.